guys, welcome back to I Do Tesla Family. So today we're going to be doing science experiments. We're going to be doing 3 science experiments, and some of them are actually inspired by Ryan Toys Review. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification, and don't forget to miss another video. So the first experiment is going to be water experiment and food coloring and paper. Those are the ingredients. So let me show you what the first step is. So first, you're gonna have a paper towel, fold it like this, and then fold it one more time, just like that. Then might as well just fold it one more time. So 3 times, 3 folds. And then you have to do the same thing with this paper. You're gonna have to fold it, and fold it again. Might as well just fold it one more time. Okay, and the next thing is water. You're gonna have to pour the water in each of these cups. So I'm pouring in this cup. Just a little bit, all the way to yep, like that. This one too. Nope. Yeah, like that. Same thing here. Let's see if the water is enough. Okay, next thing is food coloring. This is the best part. It's gonna look satisfying. So, this is green. You can do any choosing you want. This is green, this is red. You can do whatever choosing you want. I'm doing green and red. Oh, look at that. Then let that satisfyingly dry. This is red. Drip, drip. Oh, a little bit in my hands. It's okay. Just let that dry, I guess. Yeah. And then, just let it move around. So, let's just use it. So, we're gonna be using chopsticks to mix it, but you guys can just use a fork or whatever you want. So, like, mix. Oh, that's perfect. Mix a little bit, just a little bit more. Sheesh, that looks so good. Okay. Okay, just put this here. The next thing is gonna be papers. So you're gonna have to do it like this. Like that. Just let it sink for a while. Then you're gonna put this one in here. Then just let it sink for a while. As you can see, it's expanding all the way to here, to this cup. By the end, it's gonna be filled up with water. So we're done now doing this experiment. This is gonna take you 1 day to make it go all the way to here. It's gonna take a long time, but be patient. If you could see here, yeah, I accidentally put food coloring there by accident, but this is just gonna go all the way here, and the green one right here. As you can see, the green one is kind of winning. The pink one is pretty losing, but this green one is winning fast. Like I could see like already right here. This pink one's like all the way down here. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for this experiment. We have 2 more experiments left, okay? So this is our second experiment with my little brother Eliza. So we're gonna have to pour water in this plate.
How?
Oh, a little bit spilled, but it's okay. Okay, you're gonna do the rainbow one, okay? And then I'm gonna do the bow. So you have to put it right here, okay? Yes. Right here. Whoa! Now as you can see, oh no. Darn it. Just don't pick it up, okay guys? That wouldn't be good if you picked it up. Okay. So we're gonna be doing a boat. So we're just gonna put it right here. We're gonna see if you guys don't touch, okay? Just let it dissolve. See? And then it turned into a boat that's inside of water. It's just a floating boat. That's just an old boat. Don't pick it up. It's gonna go messy. Okay? So it's gonna look like this. Like, it's so beautiful. I know. We drew a boat. It's good, right? High five. Do you know why we're not gonna pick it up? Because if we pick it up, should we show you guys an example? If we pick it up, oh no, it's gonna go messy. Are you ready? Okay. This is gonna happen. Oh, now it doesn't look like it. You can kind of see it, but not that much. Don't touch it. No. Now we're gonna have to just throw it in the garbage. That was good, okay? Just remember, guys, to never pick it up. Never pick it up. So there's the after look. If you could see, the water, the green, traveled all the way to here to the clear cup. And there's one traveled all the way to here, which is so cool. And this is lime. This is like pink, literally pink. So if you could see like the green, it just travel, the red, travel. So really so cool. Even you could see at the paper, like lime here, just pink. This turned into pink. This turned into light green, which is lime. So cool. So thanks for watching this experiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and share so you can join the I Do Tesla family. And you won't miss another video. Bye!